All right, guys, here's the deal. We just got back from a trip down to the Handyway where we saw a customer go into the back to try to beat the shit out of the employee. What's that got to do with this box? Nothing. This is not from Chewy. A guy named Brian hit me up on Instagram, said he had a bunch of NASCAR stuff that was probably going to go to the Goodwill anyway, and that if I wanted it, I could have it. I don't know if Brian is like a psycho serial killer or not, so I don't know what's in this box. Might be the last thing I ever open, but we're gonna hope it's just NASCAR stuff. So anyway, holy shit! Oh, this is insane. Wow. Okay, well, first of all, there's a note in here. To Tyler, thanks for all you do and all the info you give us on the weekly. Keep living your dream and do your own thing. I hope you enjoy these gifts from me to you. Just an average guy. Brian. Damn, I appreciate it, Brian. I guess this is like my first ever fan mail. This is crazy. Like, you gotta be kidding me. All right. So first off, we have this, I don't know what scale it is, but it's a Jeff Gordon with like a whole pit crew. Old Pepsi car. Oh my God. That's crazy. Wow. Dude, this video is going to be endless. All right, we have a Dodge Collector Series Chase the Race car, like a test car. Interesting. Wow. Oh, this is fucking awesome. This is crazy. Dale Jr. number 3 AC Delco 99 Monte Carlo limited edition. That goes crazy. Oh my God, look at that thing. Dude, I'm blown away right now. What the hell? What else we got? This is all wrapped up. Look at this guy. Come on. Wrapped it up in the washcloth. What a guy. Yeah, this is the old Jimmy Spencer. This is the car they just threw it back to. 45 Mason Massey threw back to this car just the other day. That thing's killer on this nice little stand and stuff. Wow. Man, dude. Packed this thing up like it was FedEx. What we got here? This is the one thing I did know was coming. He sent me a picture of like 6 different diecasts and was like, hey, pick one. So I picked this one. Look at this beauty. Tony Stewart Office Depot car. Oh my God. This thing got the rubber marks all over the hood. Don't ask me what race this is from, but this is pretty awesome. Wow. No way. All right. What else we got? Okay, this is, I don't know what this is. It's obviously a Jeff Burton die cast, but it's in a special box. Huh. I don't know. That's pretty cool, though. This has been, like, staring me in the face since I opened the box. This is like it's a blow-up. It's a Coors Light full car blow-up. That's crazy. Holy shit. All right. That's crazy. Man, this is nuts. All right, this is a John Deere Chad Little car. Whatever scale that is. That looks killer. We're just getting going. Here's a 2000 Jeff Gordon 124 diecast. Absolute beauty. I'm going to run out of room. Oh, man. No way. Dale Earnhardt, Daytona 500 win. You got to be kidding me. Holy shit, man. That's crazy. Oh, my God, there's another one of these. But it's a Jeff Gordon one. And it hangs. Oh my God, this is nuts. No way. What we got here? Dale Earnhardt Coca-Cola car. Jesus Christ. Brian, did you just give me everything that was like really good in your collection? What the hell? Man. This, I don't know what this is. Old Bill Elliott McDonald's car, but it has like spare tires and the old inspection template. That's wild. Man, I'm like blown away right now. I think we got 2 more things in here. This is a Ricky Rudd electronic fast facts game. I guess this is a game of some sort. Take the quiz, it says. That's intriguing. Over 1,000 trivia questions and answers. I think this is the last thing. It's not the last thing. Oh my God. The last thing's even better. This is a Richard Petty collector's set. Look at that thing. All sorts of shit in there. Limited edition. Wow. And then this, last but certainly not least, he throws this on the bottom, and it's an extra large. That goes crazy. Are you fucking kidding me? Davey Allison crew neck. And you thought that was good? Look at the back. Oh my God. Are we kidding? Wow. I'm blown away by this, man. Holy shit. Brian, you're the man. I mean, what are we doing? Holy shit. This is getting framed right here. This is like history. Brian, I really appreciate it, man. This is absolutely insane. Wow.